A civil authority has issued a 911 telephone outage emergency for the following counties/areas. Sedgwick, Kansas, at 3:53 p.m. on November 29, 2020, effective until 4:53 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. Sedgwick County Emergency Communications is reporting that 911 lines are not working for all/part of Sedgwick County. Option will give brief description of the cause of/reason for the outage. The alternate number to call for police, fire, or an ambulance is 316-779-1399. This number is to request emergency services only. Do not call for non-emergencies. If the number keeps ringing, stay on the line until it is answered. Do not hang up and attempt to call back. That will only delay the response. Again, to report an emergency in all or part of Sedgwick County, call 316-779-1399. An announcement will be made once 911 service is restored.